Hello, everyone. Welcome to this wonderful, magical journey where you start living a life full of happiness. Today, we are going to discuss how universe has abundance for us in all areas, in all times to come. So, see, universe has unlimited abundance for us. So we need to understand that. The more close we get to the universe, the more happiness we can feel, the more close we get by being grateful. It so happens is there can be nothing that we cannot be, have, or do by being close to the universe. And how we can do that, how we can achieve what we want in our lives, how we can be part of it. It is actually we are part of the universe, but then how we can feel it. It is all outside and inside us. So let's understand and discuss this today. Who will read today?
Let Sandeep
Ma'am,
read.
I will read.
So I would like all of you to read today one by one, because today being the last day, and those who didn't get chance to read, I would like you to read. These are very small chapters that we have today, 4 or 5 chapters, 1 or 2 pages each, or maybe one page. So if you all can nominate yourself and one by one you read, that would be great. To get the feel of it, to understand it better, it is always advisable to read. So Sandeep can start, and then later you all can nominate yourselves one by one. So can you see Sandeep?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hello, sir. Welcome.
Hi, Sangeeta. Good
Welcome,
evening.
sir.
Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome.
Sorry for joining you a little late.
No, no, you are just on time. We are going to start. Absolutely on time.
Right. Thank you so much.
So this is your magical future. Please start.
Your magical future. You are the builder of your life, and gratitude is your magical tool to build the most incredible life. You have now laid a foundation through these magical practices, and with the tool of gratitude, you are adding more flows to the building of your life. Your life, your life will climb higher and higher until you touch the stars. There's no end to the heights you can reach with gratitude, and there's no end to the magic you can experience. Like the stars in the universe, it's infinite. To speak gratitude is courteous and pleasant. To enact gratitude is generous and noble. But to live gratitude is to touch the heaven. Johannes A. Gartner, Professor
So
Theology.
anything
Why?
of your life is possible. Whatever you want to achieve, you can achieve. There is next level to it. सो आपने ये नहीं सोचना कि अब मैंने क्या करना है, अब मैं क्या करूंगी, है ना, अब तो जो होना था हो गया, अब हमने क्या करना है करके. सो दैट इज नॉट द आइडिया, दैट इज नॉट द लेवल दैट यू शुड बी. आपने ये सोचना है, आपने आइडेंटिफाई करना है दैट वेयर डू यू स्टैंड. You have to identify your level in terms of words that you speak, your level in terms of the thoughts, and your level in terms of action. That do you have gratitude in all these levels? And there is always a next level to it. The only thing is that you have to find out,
This thing.
and only you can find out. Yes, please.
The ideal way to move forward from here is to maintain the foundation of gratitude you have built and gradually keep building on it through increasing your depth of feeling. The more you practice gratitude, the deeper you will be able to feel it. And the more deeply you will feel it, the less time you will need to give it to it as a guide. 3 days a week of remember the magic or combining it with two other magical practices of your choosing should maintain your current foundation of gratitude and keeping building the magic in your life so that your life continues to get better and better. For example, you might choose to remember the magic on one day, magical relationships on the second, and magic money on the third. 4 days a week of remember the magic or incorporating it with three other magical practices of your choosing will maintain your gratitude and accelerate the magic. 5 days a week of remember the magic or incorporating it with four other magical practices of your choosing will dramatically increase your happiness and the magic in every area and circumstance of your life. 6 or 7 days a week of the remember the magic or incorporating it with any other magical practices of your choosing, and you will become the true alchemist who can turn everything into gold.
Okay, like this book is saying that you can do 4 days or 5 days, 6 or 7 days. But I suggest you do minimum 6 days in a week. And how you can do, we will just understand as we go further. See, the thing is that this practice is to strengthen people in all areas of your life. Because we are all pure souls and we don't want to go bad. But sometimes it so happens that we see people, and those people may be wrong people, and we see them rising in life. We see them, you know, taking by using different means. They rise in life and they take all the limelight. And that is a time we get into that low feeling zone. That is a time we might get depressed, we get weak, and we it's difficult for us to digest that. It's difficult for us to take on that. But we need to understand that through this practice, what we are learning here, by giving gratitude, we have to come out of this. We have to, when we learn this practice, we come back and collect our confidence. We come back and collect our fortune. We come back and collect our happiness so that it doesn't take toll on us, those negative feelings. Because money can be earned by wrong methods by anyone. But what we are here learning is through this practice, we are learning that the more we practice this, the more gratitude we give, the more abundance we get. And it is a peace of mind and soul that we are creating here, rather than just running after money. That is not the objective, that is not the outcome, that is not the result we are looking for. We are looking for the ultimate happiness, and then of course you can achieve it by achieving your material gains also, but then your ultimate happiness would be connecting with the soul. And the more you connect with your soul, the more you burn yourself, the more pure your soul becomes, the more pure you become, pure form of gold. And when you become that, you become an alchemist. An alchemist is a person who whatever he touches, that turns into gold. So you become an alchemist, like whatever you touch, that becomes successful. You become an achiever. It so happens because there is unlimited abundance for us available in the universe. You just have to get connected, and you get connected through your feelings. You get connected through your attitude of gratitude. So anything you want to ask or share on this? Okay. So next chapter, who would like to read? It's just a page. Anybody would like to read, you can just raise your hand or unmute. And
I'll read it.
yeah, Ingita, please. Thank you. Thank you, Sandeep, for reading. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, Ingita.
Magic, magic practice recommendations. To keep the magic continuing is in the important areas of your life, like your happiness, health, relationships, career, money, and the material things you own. You could do the specific practices for each area once a week. However, if you want to increase the magic in any area of your life, you should give more through an increased practice of gratitude for that area, several days a week. If you are unwell, you will want to do the magical practice for your health every
हाँ?
day,
तो
if not multiple times in a
हाँ
day.
तो अप्रूव करवा
The following recommendations will easily guide you towards the magical practices that will have the strongest and
Okay. See, the thing is, I assure you that if you practice this magic as it is said, as I'm telling you, you are going to create abundance in your life. You are going to create that happiness in your life. But then you have to be, deep into it. You have to understand. You have to, um, pull out the negativity and fill it with positivity. That is what is required by you. So then what will happen is that you will start creating your own life. You will be the creator of your life, full of happiness. And it so happens is that nothing can stop you. You will be unstoppable. That is if you follow the methodology. Yes, please. So who will read next? Thank you, Invita, for reading. So this is a small like exercise which we will be doing now. So all please get your notepad and because you won't be able to do this in your mobile, probably laptop. You can try in your mobile also. And we page or pen le आइए and then let's get started. So just two minutes we will do on each area so that you understand. What you need to do is you just make columns in relationship, health, money, career, and your desires. Just quickly we will do all of you. आप एक पेज और पेन ले आइए. तो आपको क्या करना है that in your field of relationship, health, money, career, you need to write that what have you achieved so far. मतलब आप ये समझिए कि अगर ये एरिया आपका सपोज मनी का एरिया है, so I'll just give you 2 minutes on each topic. अगर मनी का एरिया है तो क्या उसमें आपको कुछ फर्क महसूस हो रहा है? अगर करियर का एरिया है तो क्या आपका उसमें नजरिया कुछ बदला है? अगर आपका वो एरिया कुछ भी एरिया है, whatever, is the quality of your thoughts improving? Are you able to get something, something just showed up, something unexpected showed up, जो आपने सोचा ही नहीं था, अचानक से कुछ न्यूज आई, कुछ मैसेज आया, or maybe just the quality of thoughts is there, or maybe it's that you don't feel any change, but then there is certain kind of happiness there, there's certain kind of contentment which is there. आपको अंदर से कुछ होप है, मतलब यू आर आउट ऑफ दैट नेगेटिविटी. दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट टू से. अगर वो कुछ भी है तो आप लिखिए. अगर एक 1%, 2%, 5% भी आपको फर्क लग रहा है मनी एरिया में, करियर में, रिलेशनशिप में, दैट इज राइट, दैट यस आई फील कि मुझे यहाँ पे फर्क लग रहा है. And do that one by one. Make columns and then you can do that. Because that will make you understand where you stand, where is your level now, as on today. So please do it. You can please mute yourself, all of you. So you understand what you need to do, or you can just unmute and talk about it कि मुझे इन areas में फर्क महसूस हो रहा है. I have really achieved so much in life. If somebody is going great and is happy with the achievements, you can also. But I suggest आप इसमें अभी कुछ negative मत लिखिए. अगर कोई negative आपको लग रहा है तो वो आप लिखिए मत. You can just leave it blank. बट अगर आपको कुछ पॉजिटिव लग रहा है, अगर आपके थॉट्स में भी कुछ पॉजिटिव है या कुछ आउटकम आपको लगा बेटर, तो आप वो लिखिए, राइट इट डाउन, बिकॉज अनलेस यू राइट इट डाउन यू कैन नॉट अचीव मोर. इट्स अ प्रोसेस. दिस इज एन एक्सरसाइज विच एवरी वन ऑफ यू हैव टू डू. मैंने भी किया था. And there, there I started feeling. That feeling comes only when you think and write. और मुझे खुद से वो महसूस हुआ था. And I connected very well with all the thoughts in all different areas of my life. So out of my experience, I'm asking you to share and write it down. So when you get done, please write in the chat box done. Anybody would like to share? You can unmute and speak. And this is for your presence in that particular area. तो जिस एरिया में आपकी ज्यादा प्रेजेंस है, इसका मतलब वहां पे ज्यादा अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, वहां पर आपकी ज्यादा फीलिंग है. And you can go to the next level because there is always a next level. So anybody would like to share? See, if you feel that there is any concern in still in relationship, you are still stuck there. It means you have to study these chapters again. Magical relationship, magic dust everyone, magically heal your relationship, the magic wand, and the magic mirror. Remember the magic. ये आपको chapters फिर से करने हैं.
I'm done.
Okay, good. So anything you want to share?
Yes, ma'am. I want to share regarding my relationship with.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I feel that my relationship with my family, my friends, and my partner is improving day by day
very good.
because because I can feel better understanding, better understanding is there, and when you are nice to others,
Hmm.
nice towards other, like they will be nice towards you,
Yeah,
and I'm
that's
so
true.
thankful for this improvement in relationship.
Thank you. Thank you. That's wonderful. Great. I'm happy for you. सो
Thank you, ma'am.
इसको सिर्फ जब आप किसी के साथ नाइस होते हैं, व्हाट डज दैट मीन? मतलब नाइस सिर्फ ऊपर ऊपर से नहीं, बट अंदर से फीलिंग
Yes,
क्या है,
ma'am.
वो फीलिंग जो है वो एनर्जी के रूप में दूसरे तक पहुंचती है। तो
Obviously.
जब आप किसी को ये बोलते हैं आइए आइए, मगर आपको अंदर से बहुत महसूस हो रहा है कि वो क्यों आए, या यू आर नॉट फीलिंग गुड विद देम, सो दैट एनर्जी, it goes to them, and they also understand the energy, because it is all the connectivity of energies. So you
And
have to
ma'am,
really feel it to be with others. All right. So
ma'am,
anybody would like to share? Otherwise, we take the next chapter. So
ma'am,
similarly,
I want to share on my career that
yeah,
as I'm still a student,
yeah,
ma'am, I am feeling too much focused towards my goal and my level of determination and consistency is improving. So paying gratitude is like a magic wand.
great, great, very nice. Very nice. And because of your sharings also, then when you share more, you collect more positivity.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
are more happy and you create more situations to be happy. That is the whole concept of sharing and understanding, penning it down, thinking about it, and use your subconscious mind to create more such moments for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Anyone else?
Sangeeta,
Yes, Sanjit.
sorry to interrupt you,
Yeah.
but because of some reason I have to leave. And
Okay.
before leaving, I just wanted to say a couple of words. May
Yes,
I have your permission to say something?
of course,
Of
most
course, sir.
welcome.
Firstly, thank you very much for inviting me to this session. Right? Unfortunately, I was not able to attend all your session, but whatever few that I've attended, I'm I I'm telling you with conviction that they've had an impact on me. Though how much of it uh, I can implement over a period, right? I can't say, but I will certainly try that I implement more and more things that I've learned from your sessions, right? And I think anybody, for that matter, not only me, anybody, if is able to implement even 10% of what you have, put across or what you've told them, is going to really transform their life forever. I
Thank
mean,
you.
they're such good lessons that you give.
I know.
I
Thank you
mean,
so much. Thank you.
it's excellent the way you put it across. I mean, I have no words to compliment you on that. Everybody else, probably those who have attended more of your sessions would, second me that the way you put it across, your communication skills are excellent.
Oh,
So
thank
I
you
would
so
also
much.
request everyone
Thank you.
to, have more and more people joining in your future classes or different subjects that you take. And even I would like to, as far as possible, to try and attend all your sessions in future. Though I have
Great,
some other
great.
compulsions because of which
Yeah,
I can't attend,
I
which I
understand.
mentioned last
Even
time.
I would
Right?
like more people to join in, like hand holding और अच्छे से हम कर सके. And so that we create difference in people's life, and this is our way of contributing to this practice, that we get more people in, and that is so nice of you, sir. Pleasure is ours that you can
Mm.
join here. Thank you so much for being here and your
Thank you.
valuable insights. Thank you so much.
I cannot contribute anything, I don't think. I mean, you've covered everything. There is nothing that I can really contribute. And I feel really grateful. And I want to express my gratitude because that is one word which I have learned from, I mean, I knew that word, but which I was not actually using in my life is that gratitude. So I want to express my gratitude to you for having made me a part of your classes. Thank you so much, Sangeeta.
Thank you,
And all the
sir.
best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
All the
much.
best.
Thanks.
All the
Thanks.
best.
I really
And sorry, I have to leave, so
okay.
I'll take you.
Okay.
Thank
See
you
you
so
soon, sir. See you
much. Okay.
soon in our next session.
Yeah, do let me know whenever you have the next session.
I will. I will. Thanks for
Thank you,
joining
Sangeeta. Thanks
and
a lot.
being here. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thanks. Okay. So, all right. So then we talk about desires, and So if in desires you feel, since you have many desires and you feel that you're not able to achieve any, so please start doing magic dust. Make all your wishes come true. That is a wonderful chapter. Before your very eyes, the magic wand, the magic mirror, remember the magic. This is what you have to do. I think you all must have done by now. So let's move ahead with this next page. Who would like to read just 4 5
Well,
lines?
I will read
Sandeep, yes. Okay. Please continue.
Your Magic Rock. You can make the Magic Rock practice a part of your life by continuing to keep your Magic Rock by your bedside and using the time you get into bed as your reminder to be grateful for the best thing that happened that day. You can also carry your Magic Rock with you in your pocket, and every time you touch it, use it as your reminder to think of something you are grateful for.
So, magic rock practice, like is that you have to hold the rock in your hand every day. You have to do this. This you make your best friend, the magic rock, and you have to do this for your lifetime because that is a kind of technique which is going to reprogram your subconscious mind and it expands because whatever you focus on, that thing expands. Every day when you keep focusing on the best thing that happened, it is going to expand your magic dust.
Your magic dust. You can also make the magic dust everyone practice a part of your daily life. Other than sprinkling magic dust over the people who serve you, there are many more ways to continue using this practice. You can sprinkle magic dust over everyone and everything. If your boss is a bit grumpy, you can secretly sprinkle magic dust over him or her. You can sprinkle magic dust over a family member or loved one if they are in a bad mood, or anyone you come across who needs some magic in their life. You can also add magic wherever you go and sprinkle magic dust over babies and children, over your plants, garden, your foods and drinks, your computer or your mail before you open them, your wallet, car, your phone before you take or make a phone call, or over any circumstance that you want to improve. The many application of dust, magic dust are limited only by your imagination. The magic never ends.
So this talks about that the magic continues and continues forever. And how is it possible? Anybody would like to read? Okay, please continue.
I practice gratitude every day of my life, and it's unconceivable to me now that I could have lived days, months, and years without practicing gratitude in some way every day. Gratitude has become a part of my personality. It is in my cells and it's a pattern in my subconscious mind. But if we get caught up in life and forget to practice gratitude over a period of time, the magic will evaporate. I use the magic in my life as my guide to let me know if I am practicing gratitude enough or if I need to practice more. I watch my life carefully, and if I find that I am not feeling as happy, I increase my practice of gratitude. If a few little problems start appearing in a particular area of life, immediately I increase the magical practices of gratitude in that area. I am not blinded by false appearances anymore. Instead, I look for the goodness to be grateful for in every circumstance, knowing that it's there. And then, like a puff of smoke, what was unwanted magically disappears.
So
I
like what
start
now happens is that जैसे यहाँ पे इससे previous paragraph में लिखा है I watch my life carefully and if I find that I am not feeling as happy I increase my practice of gratitude. तो जिस area में because challenges will come and you will keep experiencing them, that is part of life, but you have to take it. You have to take charge of your life and be responsible for what you are, for what you do and what you have. तो आपको क्या करना है जिस एरिया में आपको लग रहा है कि फिर से कुछ आपको कमी महसूस हो रही है आपको इमीडिएटली यू हैव टू स्टार्ट राइटिंग योर ग्रैटिट्यूड एक ग्रैटिट्यूड जर्नल आप बना लीजिए बिकॉज ऑन एंड ऑफ यू नीड टू कीप राइटिंग And every day, if you make a practice of writing your gratitudes, that is a wonderful practice. So it so happens is ये सिर्फ समझने या सिर्फ ज्ञान लेने की बात नहीं है या कुछ जानने की बात नहीं है. इट इज ऑल हाउ यू प्रैक्टिस. तो जब आप मतलब जब आप प्रैक्टिस करते हो आप समझते हो कि आप इसको कैसे करना है. दिस बिकम्स योर वे ऑफ लाइफ. एंड द मोमेंट यू लीव इट, तो क्या होता है देन व्हेन यू नोइंगली और अननोइंगली यू स्टॉप प्रैक्टिसिंग, it so happens that within 2 days the magic vanishes. It is said that. So you need to continue doing it because it exists in the unknown world. You cannot see it. But what is visible is the outcome. आपको आप उसको महसूस कर सकते हैं, आप फील कर सकते हैं. जैसे अभी आप हैप्पीनेस जोन में हैं, so you feel that yes magic is around. You have to be like a child experiencing it. तो अगर आप उसमें लॉजिक लगाएंगे, आप उसको एनालाइज करने लग जाएंगे कि बस इतने दिन हो गए तो कुछ हो नहीं रहा, आप डाउट करेंगे, आप लो नेगेटिव फीलिंग जोन में चले जाएंगे. सो इट विल ग्रेजुअली डिसअपियर. और फिर आपको लगेगा कि तो कभी था ही नहीं, मैं ऐसे ही भ्रम में जी रहा था. You know, so many times you get that feeling once you just lose the touch. So you have to be in it. You have to keep continuing doing. That's why I am just thinking of continue doing this, though I have some urgencies also, but then I would like to continue doing this. Maybe for the for next week we'll keep up something, and I would like all of you to continue and share. And this is the best way you can do. You can practice like that. Yes, please.
I started out giving thanks for small things, and the more thankful I became, the more my bounty increased. That's because what you focus on expands, and when you focus on the goodness in your life, you create more of it. Opportunities, relationships, even money flowed in my way when I learned to be grateful no matter what happened in my life. Oprah Winfrey. Through the practice of gratitude, you are using an infallible law of the universe. It's a gift from the universe to you, and it exists in order for you to use it and advance your life.
So you have to use it, you have to apply it. मतलब सिर्फ ये समझने का और जानने का नहीं है. You have to apply it in your life and only then you can experience. Yes, please.
The universe and you. There is a level that you can reach with gratitude that causes unlimited abundance in your life. The way that this level of gratitude is reached is through your relationship with the universe, or if you prefer, spirit or God. You can tend to think of the universe as separate from you, and when you think of it, look up above yourself and towards the sky. While the universe most certainly is above you, it is also below you and behind you and beside you, and it is within every single thing and every single person. That means the universe is within you. As below, so above, and as above, so below. With this knowledge alone, you may work miracles.
या जब हम ये जान लेते हैं कि ये मतलब सब तरफ है, it's everywhere, it's around us, it's within us, the universe is within us, and that is the time you understand the real you, who you are. You have to find out who you are. And I found that like by practicing, by understanding, I realize that now I feel so connected with the inner self of mine. Now I feel so connected with myself, what is inside me, and that is out of my experience that I am telling you. Yes, please.
When you understand that the universe is within you and by its very nature it is for you, wanting you to have more life, more health, more love, more beauty, and more of everything you want, then you will feel genuine gratitude to the universe for everything you receive in your life. And you will have established a personal relationship between you and the universe. The more genuine gratitude you feel toward the universe for everything you receive, the closer your relationship becomes with the universe. And that is when you can reach the level of unlimited abundance from the magic of gratitude. You will have opened your heart and mind completely to the magic of gratitude, and with it, you will touch the lives of everyone you come into contact with. You will become a friend of the universe. You will become a channel for unlimited blessings on earth. When you get up close and personal with the universe, when you feel that closeness of the universe within you, from that moment on, the world will belong to you and there will be nothing that you cannot be, have, or do.
So, like the universe is made up of five elements: air, water, fire, earth, and space. आकाश, पृथ्वी, जल, अग्नि, वायु, इनसे बना है. So when we are grateful to the universe, it so happens that it starts creating abundance for us because there is unlimited abundance. हमें लगता है 5 रुपए, 5,000 रुपए, 5 लाख रुपए, but for universe everything is there. It's unlimited. So now that you have done these 28 days of practice, you understand that universe can understand anything, everything. It's when you talk to the universe and how you talk to the universe that also you understand through feelings, through vibrations, through your frequency of the feelings. तो जब आप बात करते हैं, क्योंकि जब हम बात करते हैं हम शब्दों से बात करते हैं, हम अपनी थॉट से बात करते हैं और हम अपने एक्शन से बात करते हैं. तो जब हम इन तीनों चीजों से बात करते हैं एंड देन वी कनेक्ट विद द यूनिवर्स, दैट इज द टाइम. द मोर वी कनेक्ट, we understand what level we are into in our thoughts, in our actions, in our words. तो हम जिस तरीके से हम बात कर रहे हैं यूनिवर्स से, वी गेट, द यूनिवर्स अंडरस्टैंड्स. यूनिवर्स को सब फीलिंग समझ आती है और वो उसी तरीके से आपको रिस्पॉन्ड करता है. And this is so beautiful because now that we know, we can easily practice. And that is why it is called miracle, because now that you know, you can start achieving what you really want. You can really connect with the universe and create whatever you want for your life. Gratitude is the answer.
Gratitude is the answer. Gratitude is the cure for broken or difficult relationships, for lack of health or money, and for unhappiness. Gratitude eliminates fear, worry, grief, and depression and brings happiness, clarity, patience, kindness, compassion, understanding, and peace of mind. Gratitude brings a solution to problems and the opportunities and wherewithal to realize your dreams. Gratitude is behind every success and it opens the door to new ideas, discoveries, as the great scientist Newton and Einstein proved. Imagine if every scientist followed in their footsteps. The world would be propelled into new territories of understanding, growth, and advancement. Current limits would be broken, and life altering discoveries would be made in technology, physics, medicine, psychology, astronomy, and every scientific field. If gratitude became a mandatory subject in school, we would see a generation of children who would advance our civilization through spectacular accomplishments and discoveries, obliterating disagreements, ending wars, and bringing peace to the world. The nation who will lead the world in the future are the ones whose leaders and people are the most grateful. The gratitude of a nation's people would cause their country to thrive and become rich, would cause illness and disease to drastically drop, businesses and production to escalate, and happiness and peace to sweep the nation. Poverty would disappear and there would not be a single person hunger because of a grateful nation.
Yeah. So this chapter is saying कि कैसे जब हम grateful होते हैं, जब हम शुक्राना के मोड में होते हैं, तो क्या होता है कि हम उस दुख से, उस भय से, जो भी पीड़ा है मन में, उन सब से हम बाहर आ जाते हैं. और हम क्या लेके आते हैं? हम हैप्पीनेस लाते हैं, हम पेशेंस लेके आते हैं, हम काइंडनेस लेके आते हैं, कंपैशन लेके आते हैं. and we become more understanding and compassionate towards others. So जितने भी problems हैं, जितने भी अभी poverty है, people are suffering, तो हम एक दूसरे को समझते हैं. We understand that we all are humans. We all have souls. It's the same soul that the other person is. We have divine soul, and so has the other person. So we start understanding each other. And to all the living beings, to all the creatures here, to the nature, तो वो जो एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग है उसका लेवल डिफरेंट हो जाता है.
Would never allowed it to exist. The more people who discover gratitude's magical power, the faster it will sweep the world and cause a gratitude revolution. Take the magic with you. Take gratitude with you wherever you go. Saturate the magic of gratitude into your passion, encounters, action, and life situations to make all your dreams come true. In the future, if life presents you with a challenging situation that you think you have no control over and you are at a loss as to what to do, instead of worry or fear, turn to the magic of gratitude and be grateful for everything else in your life. When you deliberately thank the goodness in your life, the circumstances around the challenging situation will magically change. We showed him the way, whether he be grateful or ungrateful.
Okay, we showed him the way whether he be grateful or ungrateful. Yes.
Say the magic words thank you. Say them out loud, shout them from the rooftops, whisper them to yourself, say them in your mind or feel them in your heart. But wherever you go from this day forward, take gratitude and its magical power with you. To have a magical life filled with abundance and happiness, the answer is in your lips, it is inside your heart, and it is ready and waiting for you to bring the fourth magic.
Yes. Thank you so much
Rhonda
for the
Vine.
thank you, Rhonda Bryan. So it says, say the magic
Thank
word
you, ma'am.
thank you. Say them out loud. Shout them from the rooftops. Like people have really done this. वो उन्होंने उस जब इस चीज को समझा उसको महसूस करा. I have a few people who shared with me that really they went to their rooftops and they shouted thank you, and they said thank you to each and every living being on this universe. So it really happened. Whisper them to yourself, say them in your mind or feel them in your heart. मतलब आप किसी भी तरीके से करिए, शुक्राना करिए. But whenever you go from this day forward, wherever you go from this day forward, take gratitude and its magical power with you. आप ये कहीं से भी कर सकते हैं. Wherever you are, whatever you do, you can just keep continue doing this. To have a magical life filled with abundance and happiness, the answer is on your lips. It is inside your heart, and it is ready and waiting for you to bring forth the magic. It was beautiful, really. I really enjoyed this book reading session, Rhonda Bryan, and this is something about the author. So,
About Rhonda Byrne. Rhonda began her journey with the Top Secret film, viewed by millions across the planet. She followed with The Secret Book, a global bestseller available in 47 languages and with over 20 million copies in print. The Secret has remained on the New York Times bestseller list for 190 weeks and was recently named by USA Today as one of the top 20 best-selling books of the past 15 years. Rhonda continued her groundbreaking work with The Power in 2010 and also a New York Times bestseller and now available in 43 languages. The Secret.
okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for reading, Sandeep, and all
Thank
those
you,
who
ma'am.
read today. Thank you so much for this wonderful, magical journey that we have been doing. Now, I would like you all to share. If we have time, then we can see the video. Otherwise, we'll just let us have quick round of sharings. And so, who all would like to share? One by one, you can say, because today is the final day, and then your contribution to this. What I am thinking is that we will have our session, next session. Let's see what I start with. And we will have our session, which would be based on this and few more additions, what I would be doing. That would be my contributions. And I would like you to get, if you can, more people on this platform so that they also, we can create difference in people's life. We can touch others' heart. And that is what is important. That would be your contribution apart from giving your gratitude. This is the contribution that you need to do. So, who would like to share?
Well, Sangeeta, I think this has given us a lot of positive attitude, and
Thank you.
more strength and power to deal with the problems. And problems are not problems. We just have to look at it in a positive way. And
Yes,
this kind of reminds us that we have to be, thankful every day for whatever we have. And I think this reminds us every day, and I think we should continue because this will remind us every day. Otherwise, we tend to forget a lot of times.
that's true. That's true.
So we should continue, and maybe we would have more youngsters who are, you know, because they are facing the challenges more
Yeah, even I
nowadays.
would like to, if more youngsters can join and they can really start experiencing miracles in life, that would be great because they have their full life.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So we can
very
benefit
nice.
from them, and they can benefit from this book also.
Mm, true. Thank you so much for being there always, Vidhu. Thank you for being there
Thank
for me.
you so much. We enjoyed
I
every moment
really,
of it.
I'm so grateful to you for being
No,
here,
no.
for being part of this journey and taking it on for yourself, for me, and for others,
Thank you
and
for,
creating
it has
magic
helped
in
us.
your life and for others.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, who else? You
Ma'am,
can
I think,
unmute and speak.
ma'am, I think you should check the chat box.
चैट बॉक्स इसमें अच्छा मैं देख रही थी पर मुझे उसमें कुछ दिख नहीं रहा था मे बी लेट मी स्टॉप शेयर एंड देन आई कैन सी या okay Manisha is saying yeah Arush okay Arush thank you okay there are so many chats Manisha no it's okay Manisha you can always speak up it's great to hear from you Manisha you can always
Yes, yes, why not? I'm saying I don't know, today I'm feeling a little depressed. कि कल से we won't be able to hear you. We won't be a part of it. So I'm showing my sadness कि अरे बाबा from tomorrow again we won't be there with you. I
I'm
mean,
going to miss
we are
you too.
gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you a lot. So I don't know
Even
when
I am
again.
going to miss you and everyone here because you have been part of this journey, and I'm going to miss you all. You know, I
I
got
think
so
yeah.
used to it. I got so used to it. So that's
You're so good. Really, all gratitude to you. And I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Really, we benefited a lot. And
thank
all
you.
credit to you for, like, making a part of this wonderful sessions
Thank you for
and
taking
bringing
on.
positivity in our lives, I guess. I mean, in everybody's life, it has changed. Some or the other changes have come
Yeah,
for sure.
I'm very confident. I'm very definite that changes must be there in each and every one of our lives. Because if
Hmm.
you keep practicing and if you are committed, I can really guarantee that you will experience miracles in life.
I'll be honest, I didn't practice, but still, in the back of the mind, all the time it goes on.
Yeah.
Thank you for small, small things, and your
I
face
know,
comes.
I can feel from your voice. You are so happy and
Your face, just remember your face in the morning, Sangeeta, Jay, Sangeeta. Thank you for everything.
thank
Really, it has benefited a lot. Everything, your talks and the way you express everything, the way you explain.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, there was
So
a lot of research that was put into, but then I'm so thankful to God and to all of you for being here and making it possible. And it so happened, I was thinking of doing this in November, but somehow everything got into place and we could have the sessions here. So that was wonderful.
hmm.
Okay, thank you so much, Manisha. It was so valuable what you added. So, who else?
Thank you.
Yeah, we look forward to you, Manisha, in our next sessions also.
When? Kal se I'm ready.
So it would
When?
be probably next Saturday or Friday. Let me see when
So what are we gonna discuss, Sangeeta? Same, some other book?
we will be
Something.
discussing a few chapters from this book. See, I did this 4 times to understand
Okay,
it correctly.
okay,
People
okay,
are doing this for so many months in continuation. Only then you understand.
okay,
देखो जहाँ
okay,
पर भी किसी को कुछ कमी लग रही है कुछ challenges face कर रहे हैं so we can just help them and
okay,
what my
okay,
idea is that I will be appointing few coaches who will be
okay,
guiding those people who have some kind of concerns in a particular area. So I'll be there of course, but then वो
hmm,
कोच वन ऑन वन उनसे हर समय टच में रहेंगे और किसी को किसी भी एरिया में प्रॉब्लम है तो दे विल ट्राई टू सॉर्ट इट आउट एंड टेल देम हाउ टू टेक इट ऑन फर्दर. So that would be my contribution further. There would be more techniques, and I'll be raising my bar. Definitely, it would be something different from this book. Also, my skills, some more visualization techniques, something much more than what we are doing now.
So
That
thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Gratitude to you for everything.
Thank you. Thank you for being here. And Savita Bhabhi, thank you so much for changing my attitude. Thank you, Bhabhi. Thank you. Thank you. This means a lot to me.
Hmm.
All your views and comments, and I'm going to miss you all. And but I'm very sure that you all are going to be there with me in my next session. I look forward to it, to
Hmm.
your commitment and your participation. And may you all keep empowering yourselves and your loved ones throughout your life. And thank you, all of you, to be here, part of this magical journey. Time is up. I had one video to share. So if you all have time, then it will take 5 minutes.
Yes, ma'am, sure, you can
Yes,
share.
sure. We look forward to videos shared by you.
Achha, ma'am.
Very nice.
Very nice, Sangeeta. Thank you so much. I could attend only for 1 week. I wish I had joined earlier. I wish you sent me the
I
link
look
earlier.
forward to seeing
Yeah,
you
sure.
soon.
Sure, sure, sure.
And I look forward to seeing you all again next week. And that is for sure. From my heart to you, to all of you, love you all.
Thank you so much. I'll
Thank you
be
Take
so
back.
much,
care.
ma'am.
Thank you, Didi. Thank
Keep
you.
doing great in your lives and wish you all a lot of success and happiness in your life. I'll be so happy when I see you all growing much more than what I can imagine. And that would be like kind of the most happiest moment for me when you all excel in your lives. May you all achieve what you really want to. Okay,
Thank you, Sangeeta.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
ma'am.
so much for everything. For everything.
thank you. I'll miss all of you.
We
Take
will
Yeah.
miss you
care.
Yeah,
too.
Didi.
Love you all.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Yeah.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Bye
Thank you,
bye.
Bye. Take
Sangeeta.
care. Take
Bye.
care.
See
Thanks.
you
Bye.
soon.
Looking
Bye.
forward to.
Yeah,
Bye.
looking forward. Bye.